Hello everyone, in this video I would like to demonstrate that you can complete the unique rogue quest that is named the True Potential on the Diablo 4 beta. So to start, as you can see, this quest appears once your character reaches the threshold of 5 levels. After that, it will automatically appear within the list of priority quests. From here, you will need to go for the Menestead. I happen to have the quick travel waypoint for it, so that's what I'll use. So let's wait for the fast travel to happen. Then we will go to the Leirana.
Who the hell are you? I heard you can teach.
In here you can read the lines if you're interested. I'll just quickly skip through them. Next, place that we need to go to is the... okay, so here it is. That's the location, so I guess I'll meet you there. So I'm currently at this highlighted circle, or, well, the needed location. So in here, you gotta tap on this poor guy.
Our new sisters. Look close. Blood everywhere, but only one stab wound. A quick kill. And they tossed her remains to the wolves. Messy, but it covered their tracks. Smart.
Next we will continue the search and go over here this time. So once again, I'll meet you there, guys. Alrighty, so here I am continuing the searches. So let me quickly slay all those mobs before I will be able to continue. So here is another dead body, so tap on it, then listen through this lady's dialogue once again. And from here, you're gonna simply follow the trail till here. So, I'll meet you there once again. Alrighty, so here we are approaching the third location. So let's see, what does it hold us? What does it hold for us?
Hold up. It's not just the kids. It's awful.
And as you can see, next we will be heading towards the, or well, rather inside the dungeon. So I guess I'll just go through this dungeon and we'll get back to you guys once something interesting will occur or will happen. Alrighty, so at this point of the dungeon, right over here, you might have stumbled across the closed sealed door. In order to open it, you're gonna simply slay or kill all the mobs, all the enemies that you have inside the dungeon, which will not take a lot of effort since all the enemies are highlighted as red dots. So just make sure to go through all of them and the door will open. Alrighty, so after the door, over here we will need to free some prisoners.
Bless you.
Quickly slaying this mob. Alrighty, I'll be back in a second. Alrighty, so here is where you will be able to find the Bakira at the dungeon. Let me slaying all those enemies and show you in peace. So here's the dungeon, here's the Bakira's Shattered Soul. And here's his body.
Got the coin. It must be the coin.
I'll skip through the dialogue real quick.
Where is it, sister?
No. No! It's mine! You won't take it from me.
And now we'll just go ahead and I'll kill this poor soul.
Leyrana, I tried to kill myself. Stop this fight from ever happening.
For all the good it did, you were a fighter to the last.
You taught me well.
What a waste.
Now let's speak with the Leyrana.
Done here. As for Bakira, you did good.
I'm carrying too much.
And from here, we will just go ahead and pick up this item. Free the inventory slot for it. This is, as you can see, this is the unique weapon that you get at the end of the quest. And if I will open up the list of priority quests, as you can see, the True Potential quest was successfully finished. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.